guys, so right now I'm going to do a little unboxing. So I did a little shopping haul before I go to the Bali. Yay! So the first one is from Heroes Italian from local shop. So cute. It's from Jalini. It's a pajama cassava made from cassava. This is cute. Ministry of Sleepwear. Thank you. See here. It's a dress pajama, green color, and I love the fabric. And then next one is from I forgot this one. It's from Vivel. Look at this. Wow, free tote bag for the packaging. Wow, so nice. It's another dress, yay! Because I love dress, so I bought lots of dresses, and this one is in cream color. Another maxi dress for me. Yay. This one is from Chanel. This one is, I think, a long pants, yeah, pants. Oh, pink girls. Brown jeans. My god, I hope it fits me. It looks small, the waist. This straw bag. This one is from, wait, let's see. The straw dot bag. Yay, it's so cute. No, no, because no. This one, yay. The tag, and it's so light and spacious inside. Pico. Hey, I got free rainbow hanging. It's so cute. Very bulky sandals from Ruby. Didn't expect it to be so bulky. Yeah, it's kind of heavy too, but it's cute. Oh my god, pickles! Wait. On sale from Cotton On. So cute. I've tried this and it fits me well. Yeah, just love the color. And then this top also on discount from H&M. Look at the pattern. I love the color too. So cute. Belly, no belly. Why do you have to?
I couldn't see with how close I was.
Hello, so I'm wearing a whitening strip while packing. Obviously I'm going to bring some medicine and then my clothes. I'll also bring this custom scarf, Belly. Sorry Belly, I wake you up. And also Belly, yeah, I'm gonna bring him too. And then sunglasses, swimwear, yeah. Daily lens. That's all, and the medicine and makeup I'm gonna pack tomorrow, and also my charger and other things. Really.
The intense rearranged.
Good morning. So I've packed along all of my face essentials and my makeup, and also this deodorant, my glasses box, and also belly. It's time to go.
She says she's running on time. Darling, aren't we all? I think you could show me something that I won't need to resolve. So twist my words until you can find a way to make them work for you. Your windshield drawings start to fade. Oh, my heart will change.
Okay guys, we've arrived, but we're still waiting for the queue to go out. So long.
I wanted you to see me so at night. Where once a year the rain obscures the sight. I kiss the water from your mouth, toiling with the thought of perfect, and how nothing ever stays the same. My heart will change. I wait for nothing. The intense rearrange, making space where there was none before.
Just finished our lunch and finally we're going back to the villa. Yay. Let's go. After a long walk, we've arrived. This is the kitchen and the refrigerator, the fridge, the dining room, I think, and the pool. Yay. Two beds, a pond outside, and then a bathtub that we're not gonna use, obviously. The sink, very cute, and it's very yellow. And this very cute toilet, shower, or anything, I don't know. So now I'm going to change into swimsuit. See ya! Hey, let's go! So I got chicken sambal matcha and pork ribs.
Bla-bla.
Pork satay, spicy
Bentar, ada
pork,
pisau sama situ, Mak. Ada pisau nggak?
rice, and baguette.
Coba. Thank you, Mak.
Good morning, so I just done my makeup and my sister behind me. Hi girl. Now we're going to have breakfast with my family. Let's go.
Can we go somewhere it's a little bit quieter than it is in our head?
And now I'm going to show you the other side of the villa. This is my
Ever
oldest
since I met you, I've been a little bit
little
wilder.
cafe.
But what goes unsaid? Won't you run away? No, you're not happy in the place that you stay. So take my hand. We'll run away from monsters and mayhem. 'Cause I
back on the bus and we are going to continue our journey D2.
Don't you
First
know
trip of
how
the day,
much your
Monkey
eyes
Forest.
light up with stars? Don't you know you're my lighthouse when it gets dark? Don't you know how much you make me smile? You say you're not worth much, but I think you're worth much more than my while. Won't you run away? Though you're not happy in the place that you stay, so take my hand.
Ini udah ini coba
We'll run away from monsters and mayhem. 'Cause I am expert at saving. It's how I save myself.
The weather is very
It's
hot.
how I save myself. And it's hard sometimes when you're so far away. I wanna wrap you in my arms, tell you everything.
And we are back at the market looking for some cheap clothing.
Right, we've arrived at Babi Guling Buroka for lunch.
kulitnya ini jualan macam apa?
Sambelin ah.
Ini dapat tambahan.
Enak.
And I'm far away. Sipping cold tea with a low spray.
Okay, after lunch we're going to this wood crafting museum. Let's take a look.
Dip into a dream of a lost short rain. But it won't come true.
Hello, coronavirus. It's bad. It's bad, man.
Sitting on my own in a hotel room on a winter's day, thinking of the way that you touched my skin. Now you're far away, waiting for a call from a friend of mine.
Nyatu satu biji dengan biji yang
Hoping
lainnya.
you'll pull through. Waiting for
We have nowhere else to go, so we decided to go to this new place. It's called Tagalang. They gave us this for the ticket, and they are known for their luwak coffee, and we're gonna try.
Apa nih?
Let's go to the shop and we are looking for the tea. And now we are going back to our apartment from Ubud to Kuta. Halay ba dah? Alright, after 1 hour and a half, we're finally here, back home. Normal temperature. That's our car. Bye. See you for the day.
Makan, makan. Makan saya biar, isinya tahu situ aja. Mau makan.
So we finished our dinner and we're going to this souvenir shop, Agung Bali. Lots of dresses here. I love the fabric. Lots of Bali made chocolate. This one's extra dark, coconut, and all of these are vegan. And I'm taking this. Sea salt and coconut. It's so cute. Alright, we are back at the hotel and now we're waiting for my dad to get our supper from GoFood.
Jangan gelap-gelap lagi juga sini.
These are called nasi lawar, red lawar, and I put extra lawar. Good morning, it's day 2 and I've changed into my dress, I've done my makeup, and then we're going to the mini market first, and then we're gonna start our journey at 9 AM to go for breakfast, and then I think Tanah Lot and anywhere else, I don't know. Let's go! So this is the view from my room, right to the pool, and this is my one single bedroom. And if you guys are wondering what I bought for my makeup, I bought this Wildlife from Berry-M. This Wildlife foundation. This is so cute. You can see the colors. Ooh. See? Lots of pearls. So cute. And mirror too. And then there's some brushes, eyeliner. Here is my Too Faced contour palette and blushes. Then my toner cream, sunscreen obviously. It's for my another contour and mascara. Yeah. So this is the view from our place around 8. Very not crowded. We are going to Circle K.
Telurnya diupil 5.000.
Oh ya itu.
Enak banget nih. Coba.
Okay, so we have arrived at this Tanah Lot beach. Lots of small stores and here's the entrance. Let's go!
Somewhere it's a little bit quieter than it is in our head. Ever since I met you, I've been a little bit wilder. But that goes unsaid. But that goes unsaid. Won't you run away? I know you're not happy in the place that you stay. So take my hand. We'll run away from monsters and mayhem. 'Cause I am an expert at saving. It's how I save myself. Don't you know how much your eyes light up with stars? Don't you know that you're my lighthouse when it gets dark?
50, 150, 185 ya?
How much you make me smile. You say you're not worth much, but I think you're worth much more than my
Ada semen. Gimana?
Won't you run away, though you're not happy?
Bapaknya M27, kita M26. Oh, bapaknya
Take
M27 ya?
my hand, we'll run away from monsters and mayhem. 'Cause I am an expert at saving. It's how I save myself. It's how I save myself.
So we finished lunch and then straight to the toilet and then let's continue our journey. Shopping time. We arrived at Krishna.
I couldn't see with how close I was. It's not hard to find if your grip is loose enough. How lucky to be by your side, to feel your.
So it's 6 p.m. and we are on our way to beach walk. Very dark and we are stuck on traffic jam.
Oh, my heart will change. I wait for nothing.
Hostas sama
Jauh nggak WC-nya? WC-nya jauh.
Sitting on my own in a hotel room on a rainy day. Sitting on my own with an old guitar, and I'm far away.
dua lo jadi aku satu aja. Mantap.
And I think of
So we just finished our dinner and we were so full. It was like a lot. Now time to walk home. Let's go.
but it won't come true.